Imagine a single seed with the power to soothe your stomach, ease your stress, and even boost your immunity. That's the magic of anise seeds, a tiny spice often overlooked in the kitchen, but loaded with extraordinary health benefits. These seeds have been treasured for centuries in traditional medicine, yet most of us pass them by, unaware of their hidden potential. Today, we're unlocking the secrets of anise seeds and why they deserve a spot in your daily routine. First, let's talk digestion. Have you ever felt bloated or uncomfortably full after a meal? Anise seeds might be your new best friend. Packed with compounds like anethol, they can help relax your digestive muscles, reducing gas and bloating while improving nutrient absorption. It's no wonder they've been a staple in herbal remedies for centuries. But the benefits don't stop there. Anise seeds are natural stress relievers. Their calming properties can help reduce anxiety and improve sleep quality, making them a soothing addition to a bedtime tea. And if you're looking to boost your immune system, these tiny seeds punch well above their weight. Rich in antioxidants, they help fight off harmful free radicals, reducing inflammation and protecting against chronic diseases. What's even more surprising, anise seeds may help balance hormones. Research suggests they contain phytoestrogens, which can offer relief from menopausal symptoms and even support overall hormonal health. So, how can you incorporate anise seeds into your diet? Sprinkle them over baked goods, stir them into soups, or brew them into a fragrant tea. The possibilities are endless, and the benefits are too good to ignore. Anise seeds may be small, but their impact on your health is monumental. Ready to give these mighty seeds a try? Let us know how you'll use them in your journey to better health.